Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to remove Powered by Shopify on the phone. First of all, open the web browser. Click on Menu from the top left corner. From Sales Channels, click on Online Store. Then from Themes, click on three dots to view your store. Scroll down the page and see My Store Powered by Shopify is written in here. Go back to the previous tab. From the current theme, click on three dots. Choose the Edit Default Theme Content option. In Theme Content, search Powered by in Filter Item. Then remove that line from both links and password pages. Just put a dot instead of the whole thing. Then click on the Save button. Open My Store tab again. Refresh the page. Now if you scroll down, you'll see there's only a dot instead of Powered by Shopify. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.